Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a beginner friendly video on this crochet hair tutorial. So guys, if you want to see a beginner friendly video or a beginner friendly video on how I made this crochet hair, guys, keep watching. Please don't forget to like my video, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, having said that, let's get started. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make use of this braiding hair or attachment. Okay guys, I'm going to take like a small piece in order to cornrow my hair, and then the cornrow pattern I'm going to use is I'm going to start from the back of my hair, guys. Okay, the cornrow pattern for the crochet hair, guys, I'm going to start from the back because I want to be able to put the crochet hair in a ponytail, guys. And so guys, you guys can see what I'm doing. I took a little bit of an attachment or braiding hair in order to so that my cornrow or my crochet hair can last. Okay guys, and so guys, I'm cornrowing my hair just like that. When I get to the end, I sectioned out another portion, okay, the same way I did, guys, and I continued to cornrow my hair for the braiding hair and for the crochet hair. And so guys, you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm cornrowing like in a zigzag form, guys, for the crochet hair. And yes guys, I'm still cornrowing. So guys, if you're a beginner, okay, you just need to try to learn how to cornrow your hair or get someone to help you in order to cornrow your hair. And so guys, here is what I did. Okay, I cornrowed it in the same zigzag form into 4 places. Okay, as you guys can see, I have 2 here and I did another 2 off camera. And so guys, when I got to the end, okay, I just cornrowed it and then leave it, and then coming to the front part of my hair, guys, I did like a front cornrow in order to meet up with the one at the back. Okay guys, and you guys can see how I'm cornrowing my hair. Okay guys, the front part of my hair ripped off. This I was doing too much on my hair, but it's okay. And so guys, yes, this is the cornrow pattern we are making use of for the crochet hair tutorial. Okay. And so guys, when I got to the end in order to meet up the other one, okay guys, I joined the remaining part of the cornrow I did at the back to the other one. Okay guys, you guys understand what I'm saying? And so guys, yes guys, I did cornrow my hair, okay, the front part the same way, straight going to the back and then meeting up the one I left, okay, and joining it together. So guys, you guys understand? Okay, this is the cornrow pattern I use for the crochet hair. And so guys, when I got to the end, okay, I joined it together just like that until I'm through or I'm done with cornrowing my hair, guys. And so guys, that is pretty much it for the cornrow pattern or how I cornrowed my hair for this crochet hair. So guys, when I'm through, I made it of a C-cuff needle and a thread, okay, because the hair is too much to crochet in. Okay guys, I have to sew it down. You guys can see what I'm doing. Okay guys, I just sewed it down, making use of a C-cuff needle and a thread in order to secure it. And so guys, coming to the crochet hair I'll be using, the crochet braids I'll be making use of is this crochet braids from Trendy Tresses, okay, in the one called Island Coils, guys. So guys, they sent me 5 packs of these crochet braids, okay guys, in the one called Island Coils in the color 1B, okay, /27, and is in 18 inches. Okay guys, they sent me the hair for YouTube review, guys. And so guys, I'll be putting the link to everything about this hair, to the website and to their social media, to Trendy Tresses social media, in the description box. Make sure you check them out, guys. They are black owned hair company, Crochet Braids, another wig company. Okay guys, and so guys, yes guys, this is what the crochet braids looks like. It's so pretty. Okay guys, I'm so in love with the hair. So guys, look at how it is. It's an ombre crochet braid 1B /27. So guys, coming to the back Okay, so guys, coming to the crochet hair, guys, I started crocheting my hair from the back. So guys, you guys know the normal how to crochet your hair. Okay guys, so guys, I pass the crochet or the latch hook through the through my hair. Okay guys, and then I place the crochet braids on top, bring it out, and then twist it and also make a knot. Okay guys, so guys, I pass the crochet hook through my hair. Okay, I place the crochet braids on top, close the hook, bring it out, twist it, and make a knot, guys. So guys, I started crocheting the hair from the back. Okay guys, and as you guys can see, I'm crocheting my hair very closely. Okay guys, and yes guys, you just need to keep on crocheting the crochet hair, guys. And so guys, I'm trying to make you guys to understand what I'm doing because it's beginner friendly detailed tutorial on how to do crochet hair. Okay guys, and so guys, yes guys, that is it. So guys, the video is very detailed on how to do a crochet hair, guys. I just pass the crochet hook through my hair, place the crochet braids, then close the hook, bring it out, twist it, and make a knot, guys. And so guys, this is what the crochet braids looks like. Okay, from Trendy Tresses crochet island coils crochet braids. And now I'm going to show you guys how I separate the coils. Okay guys, the crochet braids. So guys, I started from the down, okay, from the ends, okay, and then started to separate the crochet braids, guys. And yes guys, I started separating from the ends then to the up, so that when I lose it or when I try to separate it, there won't be any knots, guys. So guys, this is how you separate Trendy Tresses island coils crochet braids. Okay guys, and then I'm going to take a small piece or the amount of piece I want for my crochet hair, guys. So guys, you see how easy it is to separate the coils. And then making use of a latch hook or a crochet hook, you're going to start to crochet your hair, guys. And so guys, coming to the front part of my hair, I pretty much did the same thing. Okay guys, on how to do a crochet hair. I just pass the crochet hook underneath of my hair or through my hair, then place the crochet braids, the Trendy Tresses island coils 1B 27 color is in 18 inches, guys. Then bring it out, twist it, and make a knot. Okay, so guys, I pretty much did the same thing in crocheting the hair. And also coming to the front part of my hair, I did like a knotless crochet braids. Okay guys, so guys, when we get to there, I'll show you guys what I did. But for the crochet hair, you just need to keep on crocheting your hair, okay, the same way you do or the same way it's done. Guys, take your time. Okay guys, because it's beginner friendly and detailed, guys. You need to take your time. Okay guys, and so guys, you just need to do the same thing on how to for the crochet hair tutorial. Okay, you're going to pass the hook or the needle through your hair. Okay, place the crochet braids. Okay, bring it out, twist it, and make a knot. So guys, it's pretty simple on how to make crochet hair. Okay guys, or crochet hair tutorial. And so guys, yes, coming to the front on how to do a knotless crochet braid. So guys, you're going to do pretty much the same thing, but instead of passing the two hair together, okay guys, you're going to take one hair, okay, and then pass it through the twisting, guys, and then you're going to tie it and make a knot. Okay, so guys, that is it. And then I'm going to keep on crocheting my hair or doing the crochet hair. And so guys, okay, you have to pass the crochet hook through your hair. Okay guys, place the crochet braids on top, bring it out, and then you are going to make a knot on how to do crochet hair. Okay guys, so guys, you have to section the hair in the size you want. Okay guys, take a piece. So guys, I'm making use of 5 packs of Trendy Tresses Island Coils crochet hair. Okay guys, 5 packs crochet braids, sorry, in order to make this crochet hair tutorial or hair video. In order to make this crochet hair tutorial or hair video. And so guys, yes guys, that is it. You just need to pass the crochet hook and place the crochet braids, twist it, and then you're going to make a knot on how to make a crochet hair. Okay guys, and so guys, you guys can see I pretty much did the same thing on the whole of my hair. Coming to the front part, I did a knotless crochet hair. Okay guys, and so guys, the crochet hair is so beautiful, it's so pretty. Like, okay guys, I couldn't just explain. You guys can see how beautiful or how cute this is. So guys, after crocheting my hair, okay guys, after doing the crochet hair, okay, right now I'm going to try to apply some hair conditioner to the crochet hair, guys. Okay, I'm going to apply some hair conditioner. This is the hair conditioner I'm making use of through the crochet, through my, okay, I'm going to apply it to my crochet hair, guys. Okay, so guys, also I didn't do like a complete ombre crochet hair. Okay guys, I tried to mix up the 27 color, okay guys, so that it doesn't look like a typical ombre hair. So guys, and I made use of coconut oil as my hair oil, guys. I applied it all through my hair, guys. You guys understand, I didn't do like a typical ombre crochet hair. I tried to mix it up, guys, in order to match my style, my taste. So guys, after that, I'm going to make use of a scissors in order to trim out the ends of the hair, or trim it to my liking, or style it to my liking. Okay guys, and so guys, coming to my baby hair on my front hair, guys, I try to lay my edges, making use of this hair gel, guys. Okay, in order to lay my edges, guys. The crochet hair is so pretty and it's popping, like, oh my god. Okay, and so guys, thank you so much guys for watching my video. This is how, thank you so much guys for watching my video on how I achieve this crochet hair tutorial, guys. Please don't forget to like my video, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel, guys. So guys, don't forget to check the link to the hair, to the Trendy Tresses hair I'm using in the description, and also their social media in order for you guys to get the hair, guys. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. I love the hair, it's so beautiful. See you guys in my next video. Follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.